Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to filter audit log settings on your accounts on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now as you see you will find here audit log, click on it, and here you will find filter, click on it, and that's it. Here you can choose filter by user or filter by action, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. For you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.